Fox News alert, 4 explosions have just rocked Ukraine's capital. Let's bring in foreign correspondent Trey Yingst live in Kyiv. Trey.
Jesse, good evening. We're trying to learn more about these explosions in the capital of Ukraine. We heard large blasts followed by air raid sirens, and then just a few minutes ago, more air raid sirens. An indication the city is under attack by Russian forces, something similar we've seen over the past several days as cruise missiles slammed into both military and residential targets. There is a big concern here that as that large convoy, nearly 40 miles long of Russian troops, artillery units, and tanks is stalled outside of Kyiv, that President Putin of Moscow could order more significant strikes on not only military but also civilian infrastructure here as to bring the city to its knees as he pushes forward with a ground campaign. But again, tonight, what we can report, 4 large explosions in the Ukrainian capital of Kyiv, along with air raid sirens. Jesse?
Trey, thank you so much for that report.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.